Uh, Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to play Dead Rails, which is supposed to be the most hyped game, and I have seen NU also play this game. So let's start with the game. I have also played this games once, like before this video, but I didn't reach the end. So if we don't reach the end, we'll make a part 2. Let's go. I will create a room here. Okay. So I created a room and invited a friend who had played with me Dead Rails before. So let's start with it. Only we two are going to play. Let's go. And guys, we are so close to 100k views and 300 subscribers, so please subscribe and view my channel. So now let's get the gold over there, trading post. Yeah, so here is the gold. Let's drag it and keep it on that trading post. Nice. In total $70. So I see some newspapers over there. I will take those newspapers and buy some food. Let's get this. Okay. I don't know what he or she is doing, but for now I will buy. Oh, there's a pickaxe. I know that it is used to mine the ore. I have seen it in your tutorial. So let's get the pickaxe and the coal. One coal. And here is 2 coal. And it is taking all of my money. Really? Okay, let's take this coal in our sack. Okay, store. And pick up the pickaxe. Okay, she or he is here. I will call her she for right now because the default skill is she. I don't know his or her gender. Okay, let's go to the train and start our journey. Yeah. Okay, so I will fill up the fuel. Okay. Oh, she's giving me a bandage. Thank you. Okay. So now we can start our journey. Okay. Let's go. Hope we reach the end. Yeah. Okay. So there is no ore or house nearby right now. Hopefully we'll find one. Yeah. So yeah. When I first played Dead Race, I had found a unicorn which I had sent for money. Yeah. That's all what I remember from my last play. Okay. No stone and house till now. Okay. And guys, if you want to be in my part 2, you may subscribe to the channel and tell your username so I can add you as my friend. Okay. I see a house over there and I think I am going to stop there. Okay. So let's stop over here. Oh no. Yeah. I think I am lagging. It's funny to see that the smoke is still going on and the wheels are still running. I am lagging so much. Okay. let's go to the house. Oh yeah, now I'm not lagging, and she's already there killing some NPCs. We will go inside and kill them, I guess so. Yeah, come to the door and I will tell you. Yeah. Okay, we have two zombies and some waste which we can like burn. Yeah. Okay. Let's get this and get to the train. Yeah. I'm too much tired. Okay, let's. Oh, train is there. Okay, so I will fill up the fuel even more, right? And start with the train. Oh no, I am lagging again. As you can see, the book is flying. And what is she doing right there? I don't know. Okay, so I am lagging too much. And what can I do about that? The electricity in our region is going and coming. That's why I am lagging too much. Oh, disconnected. Alright, I am going to go in Dead Rails again. Okay, I am here again, and now I am creating a room of 4 people. If anyone wants to come with me, then they will come. Okay. Okay. So 2 people have joined me. Hopefully we will reach the end now. Okay. So we are loading. We are still loading. Okay. All right. Yeah. So here I am, and the car is below the ground. Guys, I am having some issues with YouTube is having some issues with their system, I think so. That's why my views are not going accurately. It was 97.9k views, but now it's 97.8k. Hopefully they fix it. And I think so one of the those 2 guys have taken the gold. I will tell them to take the pickaxe. Okay, so let's see if pickaxe is here, and yeah, no pickaxe. Sad. What is he buying? I'll tell him to buy 3 coal. Okay, let's see. Bro, why did you buy that? Dude, take coal. Huh? Bro, coal, you need. What? I don't think that these people are listening to me, so I am going to leave and see if she joins me again. Alright. Let's go. Okay, she's online right now. Let's join some of our friends and see if they are there. Okay. So she has joined me. I have created a 2 room, but someone else has joined. So I am going to create another room. Okay, let's go create a room for 2. And has she joined us? Yeah. This is Bald. This is going to be fun. I am back. let's go to Dead Rails. So we are loading, and yeah, here. Okay, so let's go. I guess so. I will take the gold as usual. She will buy the bandages. I think so. Let's keep the gold there. $70. And let's get the newspaper and then the other stuff. Hopefully there is pickaxe in the general store. Yeah. Okay, let's get these papers. Okay. And see if no pickaxe. Alright, I am going to buy 3 pieces of coal for now, and if we get money later we can buy the pickaxe. Okay, let's get another element of coal. I really want to raid a town. Like, I have seen many people do it and they have so much money and there is so much loot over there. So I think so we can get that too. Also guys, have you seen the new Bloxfruits bulletin? While I am doing the work, I am going to explain to you what was there, because I have read it and now I am going to explain to you that first of all, the submarine is going under the Tiki, the heart of Tiki. Okay, then they are going to rework some bosses, and I think so there is going to be paint rework, some food thing, potions, and there was also something like a summit. There was a form that what we want, and we could fill 3 things. I had filled rework fruits, new fruits, and no more lag. Also comment down what you had picked 3 things for the next update. Okay, let's go. I see a house near here, so let's get the loot. It's a gunsmith. We might get the guns. Yeah. Oh, she is going to kill the zombie from the window. Okay, keep doing it. Okay, I will take this one and she has taken one. You collect okay, you collect that newspapers. I am heading to the train. Alright. Yeah. Let's get to the train before anything comes to kill us. Let's go. Okay. Alright, we are going, and okay. There are some outlaws' bodies, but 2 outlaws are still alive, so I'm not going to risk our game and just keep going. Alright. Oh, I see. Yeah, I know that structure. I had found 3 coals last time, means we. So, till the time those outlaws come, we'll take the 3 pieces of coal and leave as fast as we can. Okay, she is also coming. Oh, there are some zombies in here. Okay. Oh, one zombie is already trying to attack me. Alright. Dead. Now I will stone him. And what? Okay. Those are not coming. Oh, he's about to die, I think so. 2 zombies are... Okay, she killed them all. Good. Okay, let's see what loot is here. And I already see a piece of coal. Let's store it. 1, then 2, and here must be another one, I think so. Where is it? Oh yeah, found it. Okay, let's take this coal and head to our train as fast as we can, because I don't want to get killed by those outlaws. Okay, let's go. I think so she has used her bandage, so she can't revive me, or she can by using my bandage. And why is that zombie standing over there? Wait a minute. What is this, man? Bro got like so much drip right now, so much aura. What is this style? I'm going to take a screenshot. And dude, okay, so oh no, it's night already, and I am going to drive our car. Let's keep going, and I will not stop anywhere at the night because I am afraid of night, even though I am a shadow. But if it was block shoots, then everyone would be cooked. Yeah, I need my shadow fruit in Dead Trails. Okay, so let's keep going and hopefully reach the next checkpoint. Alright. Okay. And let's see. There is so much information. I noticed one thing, that we cannot record audio while screen recording, so yeah, so I cannot use the sound of Dead Trails here. Okay, I see a town over here. Should I stop or no? I'm not stopping. It's night already and I don't want to stop. And I think so there are outlaws also. Okay, I'll keep going. Why she's pointing that shovel at me? Wait, is she saying something? Let me see in the chat. Oh, she's telling me to stop. You want to die? Oh, she meant by the checkpoint. Okay, so let's take this zombie. It's time for you to burn. Yeah, and get on the train. Okay, let's go to the trading post and let's go. Alright,